everyone! For today's vlog, isi-share ko yung reflection ko about sa TED Talk ni Karen Taylor, which is titled Belonging, a Critical Piece of Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion. So honestly, simple lang naman yung message na gusto niyang iparating, pero sobrang impactful nito. No? Hindi sapat na included ka lang. Dapat nararamdaman mo na you truly belong. What is belonging? So kung ako tatanungin, belonging is yung feeling na accepted ka, safe ka, at pwede kang maging sarili mo. Yung hindi mo kailangan mag-adjust ng personality mo just to fit in. Parang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na, okay ako dito, tanggap ako dito. And isa sa mga na-mention ni Karen Taylor sa video niya is yung lahat ng tao ay may iba't ibang sense of belonging. Meaning, what makes me feel accepted might be different from others. And that's okay. Personally, madalas ko ito ma-experience dahil most of the time sa school is madalas yung groupings. So, kapag napapakinggan yung ideas ko sa isang group, mas nagiging confident ako and active. Samantalang kapag nai-ignore ako or hindi ako napapakinggan, ang laki ng effect niya sa akin, which is napapaisip ako kung magsasalita pa ba ako ulit or hindi na. So, this is where I realized that belonging really affects the performance and the confidence of a person. So, I decided to interview someone to understand how people experience belonging in real life situation.
For me, yung belonging is yung kapag tanggap ka ng grupo, yung kaya mo magpakatotoo sa kanila. Yung hindi ka natatakot na ma-judge ng grupo mo o ng mga nakakasama mo. Yung halimbawa ko naman dito is yung circle of friends ko right now. Dahil hindi ko kailangan makipagplastikan sa kanila na kung ano talaga ako as a Sam Delphine is ayun talaga yung napapakita ko sa kanila. Hindi ko kailangan magpakalakas kung ayun naman yung kahinaan ko. At hindi ko naman kailangan magpakahina kung ayun naman yung kalakasan. Ayun lang.
For me, belonging is something that you feel comfortable and you fit in the group or in the society or something that you matter. I also think that belonging also have different impact depending on the person. We're called individuals, the reason because we have our own perspectives and uniqueness. Based on my experience, way back at the start of the first year, like first year college, I kept wondering on what should I do or how should I act to fit or not to be ashamed lang. But as the time goes by, I got mentally exhausted, physically exhausted, and I just don't wanna, I just don't have the social bond to interact with others. Belonging is something that comes to you, that you should feel comfortable without adjusting or sacrificing your health. Because it will come to you, people will come to you naturally, and you don't need to do anything to fit in it.
For me, belonging is the peace of mind that comes from within na na-feel ko na I am chosen within a group and I am being tolerated and being accepted for who I am.
Isa pa sa mga importanteng sinabi ni Karen Taylor is yung dapat kilalanin mo muna yung sarili mo kung saan mo pakiramdam na belong ka. Kasi kung hindi mo alam, mahihirapan kang hanapin or i-create yun. So for me, I will try to create belonging by listening more, including everyone, and respecting different opinions. Kasi I believe that belonging starts with small action. So to end this vlog, I want to share this quote from Karen Taylor. If you want people to thrive and be at their best, it's simple. Create the condition for belonging. And for me, totoo yun. Because when people feel like they belong, they become more confident, more engaged, and more motivated. So let's not just include people. Let's make them feel that they truly belong. And also remember that whatever you are, be a good one. According to Abraham Lincoln. Thank you for watching. Bye.